how to say anybody home in Bisaya-Cebuano. There are two ways to say anybody home. The first one is the most common, okay? We usually say, ayo, ayo, naay tao, naay tao, ayo, naay tao. Okay, the second one is, tagbalay, tagbalay. So tagbalay is usually used in the provinces. I don't usually hear tagbalay. It's not common here in Cebu City. Okay? Unlike the first one, ayo, naitaw, that is the very common phrase. Okay? Now let's break this down, my friends. Naay means there is or it exists. Tawo, it is actually pronounced as tao. Okay? Tao. It means a person. Okay? A human being. Okay? And then balay, tagbalay means owner of the house. Okay? The root word here is balay, means house or home. Okay? Now let's practice. Ayo na ay tao. Ayo na ay tao. Okay? And then the second one is tagbalay. 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 Okay? You can just use ayo if you're knocking at someone's house. Alright, that's all for today. Amping kanunay. Bye!